Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Here is Roshni with CID News Network Islamabad. Today's English headlines. The PMLN and PPP rejected the government move to appoint retired Supreme Court Judge Azmat Saeed Sheikh as the head of Broadsheet Inquiry Committee. Maryam Nawaz says that the government is of the mafias, by the mafias and for the mafias. And government stays in power and other people will suffer. Prime Minister Imran Khan has no option but to step down, says by the chairman of Pakistan's People Party Bilawal Bhutto Zardari. The president of Paris promised all the students that in France 2 square meals a day for just €1 to help them and cope with COVID-19 restriction. Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi has urged the Biden administration to preserve with Afghan peace deal which was signed in Doha between the United States and Taliban last year, not reverse things. The identified officer of Educational Institute in Kotke village found dead in Bandagai Talash. Scientists have unearthed massive 98-million-year-old fossil in Argentina, they say, may have belonged to the largest dinosaur ever discovered. Members of opposition staged a walkout from the Senate session after what they perceived as the lack of satisfactory response from the government on key issue of CPEC authority, including the meeting of Lieutenant General retired Asim Salim Bajwa with Chinese ambassador. This is the end of today's news. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and like it, share it and comments on it, and also follow us on Facebook. Take care and keep watching CID News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.